welcome to your physics journey. My name is Giorgio, your physics teacher, and I will guide you through this chapter step by step. Together, we will explore how physics explains the world around us. In this chapter, you will learn what physics is and what it studies. You will discover why measurement is essential in physics. We will talk about physical quantities and how we use them. You will learn about fundamental physical quantities. You will also learn about derived physical quantities and how they are connected. By the end of this chapter, you will understand the basic language of physics. This knowledge will help you in every lesson that follows. Now that you know who I am and what we will study, let us begin our first physics lesson. Physics studies natural phenomena. A phenomenon is something that happens in nature. Motion is a phenomenon. Light is a phenomenon. Sound is a phenomenon. Heat and electricity are phenomena. Physics starts with observation. We observe carefully. We ask questions. Why does an object move? Why does it stop? Why does it fall? Observation is not enough. Physics needs measurement. Measurement uses numbers. Numbers make results clear. A physical quantity is something we can measure. Length is a physical quantity. Mass is a physical quantity. Time is a physical quantity. Physics uses physical quantities to describe nature. 7 physical quantities are fundamental. They do not depend on other quantities. Length is fundamental. Mass is fundamental. Time is fundamental. They form the base of physics. Other quantities are derived. They come from fundamental quantities. Speed comes from length and time. Acceleration comes from speed and time. Force comes from mass and acceleration. Physical quantities are the language of physics. They help us describe nature clearly. They help us compare results. They help us solve problems. Now you know the basics of physics study. You understand what physics studies and why measurement is important. In the next lesson, we will study units of measurement. You will learn why units are necessary in physics. You will learn how we write and compare measurements. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your classmates. Learning physics is easier when we learn together. If you want more, visit iqpointacademy.com. There you will find PDF lessons, solved problems, and exercises to practice. Subscribe on the website and continue learning step by step. This lesson ends here. What you learned today builds the foundation for everything that follows. Continue learning step by step. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.